This is a Delta shower. Here's the star of the show. It's a big, beautifully built square shower head, rain shower head. It's just a beautiful. There's the arm. Comes out. Here is the escutcheon, the plate for the diverter and the valve. Here's the rough-in for it. Here are parts that go along with the rough-in, the ceramic valve there, and all comes together in this one box, this big box with these other boxes inside it. Here are the handles, heavy metal, very solidly built. Give you a sense of this thing. This is the hand shower holder, and and the hand shower is in that little box back there. I didn't bother taking it out. This thing is one solid chunk of metal. That gives you an idea. There's a pad under this tablecloth, but it gives you an idea of the weight, heft, and really kind of incredible build of this piece. The whole thing is beautiful. It's a great shower you've got to be able to put in a shower that's equal to this set, really, to use this.
And here we can put the other part. It's also exactly color like the other part. And this is the large tube, this part, and this is the control, that attached to the wall. This is the main part, an important part. It's pretty good and heavy. And this is also the shower part, as you can see how thick it is. And here plastic, silicone is not. The back part and also has a flexibility. Totally, it seems very good. I will update you after installing it. And also, this is the other control and the main part where you want to open or close the water. This is that part. Pretty good and quality is nice. And yes, thank you for your watching. I will update you if I see anything else. But to me, until now, it's good.